Welcome to Perfect Diamond Painter, although you don't have to be perfect to make something amazing. Hello, welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, it's going to be a really short video. It's going to be me kitting up this for Diamond Bewitched Cat's Sea Life thing event she's doing. I never got my canvas, so I'm going to do this because these are all found in the sea. And I never got my canvas. I ordered this great big canvas with fish, and it was really pretty. I think it was cats looking at a fish tank, watching the fish swim, that I was gonna do. And then, yeah, I never got it yet. It's on its way, but this is the code for the canvas. And it's going to be pretty fast to kit up because all I have to do is put the bags in here. So, oh, and I ordered another one of these on Temu. I found that Temu has them. And I ordered one. I don't think it's quite this size. I think it's like just two, and then one single. So, these are small bags. I don't think I took these bags out either. They just put them in there all wonky. There's number 6. 10. There's 7. They just put these all over the place in here. It might not be as fast as I thought it was going to be. But yeah, I ordered it almost a month ago. It's been like the 10th of last month. And it took forever for it to ship. And then now it's taken forever for it to get here. Which I'm gonna wait on it because there's other things in there that I want to do too. And then there's lost my train of thought. There's 12. I got the first one all done up. And I guess I'll keep the canvas, the cat or fish one, for something else. Yeah, I really wanted it when I ordered it. It was really nice, and I liked it. I was like, oh, that'll work perfect. And then I haven't got it yet. almost done. I thought these were squares, but they are rounds. Which I'm just used, I don't prefer the squares over the rounds. I'm used to the squares. All right, they're all done, all kitted up. I love kitting up like this because it's so easy. And I usually just keep it all together like that and stick it over here on my row top desk that I have the little table thing slid out just to set stuff on. But anyway, thank you for watching. I'm sorry it was so short, but hopefully you enjoyed it. And Friday, I will be getting a new phone, so it might change the look of some of the videos, because this one, I have an iPhone XR, which came out before the 11s, so it's very old, and it's showing its age. It doesn't want to give me my calls half the time, and I've missed important calls. I almost missed an important call today. They left a message, and then I called them back, but a lot of times they don't leave messages, so I guess it's not that important. But anyway, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and stick around. And come and join me for the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And remember, mistakes are a part of the bigger picture, and they even turn it into a masterpiece.